Welcome back to Doomsday-Prepper. Today we're diving into the essentials of being a prepper. We'll walk through a list of crucial items that could make all the difference in an emergency situation, whether you're preparing for natural disasters, economic collapse, or any other crisis. These items will ensure you and your family are ready to face anything. Let's get started. First on our list is emergency food that lasts up to 25 years. These are typically freeze-dried meals stored in airtight containers. Having a stockpile of this food means you won't have to worry about food spoilage, even if you're cut off from fresh supplies for years. Here's an example. Imagine a massive flood has made it impossible to access grocery stores. With this 25-year food supply, you can ensure your family remains well-fed until help arrives or conditions improve. Next is emergency water. Water is life, and during a crisis, access to clean water can be limited. It's crucial to have at least a gallon per person per day for drinking and sanitation. Additionally, water filtration systems like this one can turn unsafe water sources into drinkable water, ensuring you stay hydrated and healthy. In any emergency, injuries are a real possibility. A well-stocked first aid kit can help you manage anything from minor cuts to more serious injuries until professional medical help is available. Imagine someone gets a deep cut while boarding up windows during a storm. Your first aid kit will allow you to clean and bandage the wound, preventing infection and keeping them safe. Maintaining hygiene is crucial to prevent disease, especially when access to running water and regular sanitation facilities is disrupted. Think of a scenario where you're in a makeshift shelter with no running water. Having items like wet wipes and hand sanitizers will help you stay clean and healthy. Similarly, emergency cleaning products are essential for maintaining a sanitary environment, which can prevent the spread of illnesses. During a viral outbreak, for instance, these disinfectants can help you keep your living area virus-free, protecting your family's health. Emergency materials like plywood, nails, and sandbags are vital for fortifying your home against natural disasters. In the face of an approaching hurricane, boarding up windows and using sandbags to prevent flooding can make your home a safe haven. A 72-hour emergency food kit is perfect for short-term emergencies. It's compact, easy to store, and contains enough food to sustain you for 3 days. During an evacuation, this kit can be grabbed quickly, ensuring you have the necessary nutrition while on the move. A family bug-out bag should contain essentials for each family member. This includes food, water, clothing, and important documents. In the event of a sudden evacuation, this bag ensures that everyone has what they need to survive for several days away from home. Staying connected is crucial during an emergency. Solar chargers and backup communication devices like hand crank radios can keep you informed and able to reach out for help. Imagine the power grid is down due to a storm. These devices ensure you can still charge your phone and get critical updates from emergency broadcasts. Finally, having a long-term gas storage plan for your bug-out vehicle is essential. Fuel stabilizers can keep your gasoline usable for extended periods. In a scenario where you need to evacuate quickly, having a ready supply of gas means you won't be stranded without transportation. Being a prepper is all about being ready for the unexpected. Each of these items plays a crucial role in ensuring your survival and safety in an emergency. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to stay prepared. Stay safe and prepared out there.